explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. Let's begin with the chapter number 11 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is auxiliary. So, what are auxiliaries basically? Auxiliaries are the helping verb. So, let us read the chapter and know more about these auxiliaries in detail. So, a helping verb that helps the main verb to form a correct sentence is called an auxiliary. तो एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो है वो एक हेल्पर होता है मेन वर्ब का, जो कि हेल्प करता है कि वो सेंटेंस का एक करेक्ट फॉर्म क्रिएट कर सके, राइट? तो ऑक्सिलरीज हैव टू काइंड्स. अब ऑक्सिलरीज के पास एक्चुअली सिर्फ दो तरीके हैं, राइट? फर्स्ट इज द प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी, second is the model auxiliary, right? So now we have the primary auxiliaries, the auxiliaries that help to form tenses, questions, negative sentences, passive voice, etc. are called the primary auxiliary. ऐसी auxiliaries जो help करती हैं tenses को form करने में, questions, negative sentences या फिर passive voice को बनाने में, उन्हें कहा जाता है प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी, राइट? तो देयर फॉर्म चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर एंड पर्सन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. तो इनकी जो फॉर्म है ये चेंज की जाती है नंबर के अकॉर्डिंग और पर्सन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट में जो पर्सन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग. तो द प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरीज आर बी, हैव एंड डू. The other forms of be are is, am, are, was, were, been, and be. Next, the other forms of have are has, had, and having. Next, other forms of do are does, did, done, and doing. Next, we have examples of these. So they are, I am reading a book. I have taken my breakfast. I do not like lard. Right? Now, after that, we have the function of primary auxiliary. So, अभी जो primary auxiliaries है, इनके functions actually क्या है? Right? So, they are used to show whether the action is complete, continuous or habitual. ये यूज की जाती हैं कि एक्शन के बारे में बताने के लिए कि क्या वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है, क्या वो अब भी कंटिन्यूटी में है, या फिर क्या जो एक्शन वो परफॉर्म किया जा रहा है वो परफॉर्मर की हैबिट तो नहीं है, राइट? फॉर एग्जांपल्स, he goes to office. Sorry, he has gone to office. This is a complete one. He is writing neatly. This is actually continuous. And it does not work well. This is actually habitual. Right? Moving ahead. They can be used for making negative, exclamatory, and interrogative sentence. ये यूज किए जाते हैं नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बनाने के लिए, एक्सक्लेमेटरी या फिर इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस को बनाने के लिए, राइट? एग्जांपल्स, she is a good dancer, right? This sentence can be changed into, और अब हम इसी सेंटेंस को चेंज भी कर सकते हैं इसमें नेगेटिव, इम्पेरेटिव और एम्फेटिक. हाउ? लेट्स सी. द नेगेटिव वन इज she is not a dancer. Interrogative becomes, is she a dancer? And there only the emphatic one becomes, what a dancer she is, right? Moving ahead, we have next one that are the modal auxiliaries. So what are these modal auxiliaries now? The helping verbs that help the principal verb to show the mode or manner of the action expressed by the principal verb are called modal auxiliary, right? हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स हैं जो कि प्रिंसिपल वर्ब को हेल्प करती हैं ताकि उनका मोड या फिर मैनर या फिर जिस भी तरीके से वो यूज की जाती हैं या वो जताती हैं वो पता चले, तो उन्हें कहा जाता है द मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी। तो दे डू नॉट चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर और पर्सन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट। ये सब्जेक्ट के नंबर या पर्सन के अकॉर्डिंग दे कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड विद द कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, पर ये सभी कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के साथ नहीं यूज की जाती, राइट। So here we have the use of models. So ability, can or could, advise or to or should, certainty or intention, shall, will or would, necessity, need to, must or had to, obligation, ought to or should, permission, can, may, willingness, shall, will or would, right? So, यहाँ पर examples भी दिए हुए हैं. Let us read them very quickly. I can solve this problem. Or to obey our, I need to work harder. You must take exercise to keep fit. Krishna had to repeat my question. He ought to help the poor. You should respect your parents. I think you should get in touch with your lawyer. Ashish could speak English when she was 5. I would do as you told me to do. We can go home now. We shall go there. Or you may come in. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things very clearly. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and have a great day.